Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Quick Notes. Today we will discuss NCERT Class 6 History Chapter 4 in the earliest cities in the form of quiz questions. And also these all questions will be helpful for all the competitive exams. So let's start with the questions. Question number 1. When and how was the site of Harappa first encountered? And the options are A. During railway work, B. During airport work, C. During farming, or D. None of the above. And the answer is A. During railway work. Around 150 years ago, when railway lines were being laid in Punjab, engineers stumbled upon the site of Harappa, that is in present-day Pakistan. Question number 2. The western part of Harappan cities were usually smaller but higher. It has been referred as option A. Mounds, B. Citadel, C. Lower town, or D. None of the above. And the answer is B. Citadels. The Harappan cities were divided into two or more parts. Usually, the part of the west was smaller but higher. Archaeologists described this as the citadel. Question number 3. How old are Harappan cities believed to be? Option A 3500 years, B 4500 years, C 4700 years, and D 5000 years. And the answer is C 4700 years. Harappa and other such cities are believed to have developed 4700 years ago. Question number 4. The Great Path has been discovered in which city? A. Lothal, B. Harappa, C. Mohenjo-daro, and D. Kalibangan. And the answer is C. Mohenjo-daro. In Mohenjo-daro, a very special tank which archaeologists called the Great Path was found. It has lined with bricks, coated with plaster, and made watertight with a layer of natural tar. Question number 5. Which Harappan cities had fire altar? And the options are A. Lothal, B. Kalibangan, C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. And the answer is C. Both A and B. Cities like Lothal and Kalibangan had fire altar where sacrifices may have been performed. Question number 6. What were the major categories of people in Harappan cities? A. Rulers, B. Scribes, C. Craftsperson, D. All of the above. And the answer is D. All of the above. In Harappan cities, rulers, craftsperson, and scribes were the three major categories. These were the three basic occupations of people living in Harappan cities. Question number 7. How the drains of the Harappan cities were? A. Covered and straight, B. Open and straight, C. Covered and zigzag, and D. None of the above. And the solution is A. Covered and straight. Most Harappan cities had covered drains. They were laid out carefully in straight lines. Each drain had a gentle slope, thus water could flow easily through it. Question number 8. Which agriculture instrument was used to dig earth in Harappan cities? And the options are A. Hammer, B. Plough, C. Chisel, and D. None of the above. And the solution is B. Plough. Plough was the new tool in Harappan cities which was used to dig the earth for turning soil over and before scattering the seeds. Question number 9. What was the duties of rulers in Harappan cities? Option A. Planning, B. Gaming, C. Farming, and D. Singing. And the answer is A. Planning. Rulers were the people who planned the construction of special buildings in the city. They probably sent people to distant lands to get metals, precious stones, and other things that they wanted. Question number 10. The alloy of tin and dash is called bronze. And the options are A. Zinc, B. Copper, C. Gold, or D. Platinum. And the answer is B. Copper. The alloy of tin and copper is called bronze. Question number 11. In which Harappan city storehouse was found? And the options are A. Lothal, B. Mohenjo-daro, C. Kalibangan, or D. Dholavira. And the answer is B. Lothal. The city of Lothal was an important center for making objects out of stones, shells, and metals. There was also a storehouse in the city where many seals and sealings were found. Question number 12. The eastern part of Harappan city is referred as, options are A. Lower town, B. Upper town, C. Back town, or D. None of the above. And the answer is A. Lower town. The eastern part of the city was larger but lower. Thus, it is referred as Lower Town. Question number 13. Which of these groups of people did not usually live in cities but the countryside? Options are A. Rulers, B. Craftsperson, C. Farmers and herders, or D. Scribes. And the answer is C. Farmers and herders. The farmers and herders supplied food to craftspersons, scribes, and rulers, and they usually live in countryside, not in the cities. Question number 14. The bricks were laid in an dash pattern that made the walls strong in the cities of Harappa. And the options are A. Straight pattern, B. Interlocking pattern, C. Circular pattern, or D. None of the above. And the solution is B. Interlocking pattern. In the cities of Harappa, the bricks were laid in an interlocking pattern, and that made the walls strong. The walls of baked bricks were built around each part. The bricks were so well made that they have lasted for thousands of years. Question number 15. What does archaeologists found to know that the cloth was used in Harappan civilization? And the options are A. A piece of cloth, B. Manuscript, C. Inscription, or D. None of the above. The answer is a piece of cloth. An actual piece of cloth have been found in Mohenjo-daro attached to the lid of a silver vase and some copper objects. Spindle wheels have also been discovered which were used to spin thread. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, please give a like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Thank you so much.